Download all required application links given in the description box.
Open application and do simple setup of application. Click on 3 dot and choose the pip option. Click on quick install, choose the package. Wait till install required files. Please make sure that your internet connection is good.
After complete download, go back and open terminal. Type as it is command shown in screen. Click on Chrome and after open the interface, click on New. If you want to close the localhost server, then click on Logout, go back to terminal and type exit 2 times. Process for opening server new time is open terminal firstly. Type as it is command shown in screen. You can open through this process repeatedly.